Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact model and build number so you download the right package. This prevents bricks. Back up your photos and app data now because updates can wipe settings. Once done, plug into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Updates fail on spotty connections. Make sure you have 2 GB free. Updates need temporary space. These steps remove most early errors and let you proceed to download confidently. You should try the official over-the-air update. It's safest and preserves data. If no OTA exists, download the exact firmware for your model and region. Mismatched files are the main cause of failures. Once you have the package, use the manufacturer's desktop flasher or ADB fastboot tools. Follow the command sequence precisely because order matters for partitions. During flashing, do not interrupt power. After installation, you finish by confirming the new build in settings and checking that Wi-Fi, calls, and sensors work. Re-logging to accounts resolves many sync issues. If performance is poor, clear cache and then factory reset as a last resort. This solves leftover conflicts. If the phone won't boot or is unstable, first boot to recovery and try reflash of the correct firmware. If that fails, restore your backup and contact OEM support. This troubleshooting order minimizes data loss and gets you stable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.